Marriage Hall Association has announced to open marriage halls from August 2, 2020. President of Marriage Hall Association Rana Raees has said that negotiations with the government have failed. We will not allow our labor and workers to starve. We'll open a wedding hall. Earlier, the president of Shadi Hall Association had announced that today All Pakistan Shadi Hall Owners Association would protest against the closure of Shadi halls across the country. The president of the Marriage Hall Association said that he appealed to the government to allow the opening of the marriage hall. If the demands are not reconsidered, the chief minister will march towards the house. Protests will be recorded in press clubs across the country. On the other hand, in other cities of the country as well, wedding hall owners, decorators, echo sound workers protested outside the local wedding halls. Owners say our business has been shut down for 4 months due to the coronavirus epidemic and lockdown, just as other businesses have been reopened under SOPs. Wedding halls are decorative, they should also be opened under SOPs. He further said that hunger strike has been going on in our houses for 4 months, but till today the administration has not even asked us what is the condition of your people. The rent of our halls has been on us for many months, they are asking for rent. Besides, there is a light bill which comes in thousands of rupees every month. But what have we done wrong? All the businesses have been allowed to open. At present, there are only 2 businesses that are closed. One school, another marriage hall. Please do subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.